Are you ready to discover a path to significant online income? Imagine making up to $1,400 every single day, all without selling a thing, without needing any prior experience, or resorting to affiliate marketing. The secret? Simple copy and paste. I'll also introduce you to 2 other websites to double your earnings, and I've got an incredible tool that can streamline the entire process in under 5 minutes. Just follow 3 straightforward steps to boost your earnings. So don't hesitate. Click that subscribe button and let's delve into the exciting realm of online wealth. Okay, let's start with the basics. Go to google.com. Who doesn't know that website, right? Once you're there, type in Google News. The first thing you'll see is news.google.com, which is Google's official news website. Click on that first link and there you go. You're now on the Google News homepage. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news about everything, from global and local news to business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. This is the real Google website, and you can find all kinds of news on it. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about this? And how can I make money just by browsing a news site? Let me explain. On the top of the page, you'll see various news categories, like world news and local news. We're interested in the good stuff: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So, let's focus on that. Click on one of the categories you're interested in. For instance, let's say you want to check out the latest tech news. Click on that category, and you'll find lots of information about technology. But for today's video, we're focusing on the health category. Click on that and see what's happening. As you scroll down, you'll discover some fresh news articles about various health topics. Let's choose fitness. So click on that, and let's see what's interesting. All right, this one caught my attention, so let's click on it and explore. Now that we've found the article we'll be working on, let me show you the most exciting part of the process. Are you ready to learn a neat trick for creating unique content? As I just demonstrated, the first step involves finding an article you like on Google News and copying it. Let me guide you through the process. Initially, select the entire text by highlighting it, and then right-click to copy it. However, we can't simply use this copied text as is, as we need to ensure we avoid plagiarism issues. This is where Spinbot comes into play. Head over to spinbot.com and paste the article text you found into the website. This is where the magic happens. Spinbot is a special software that takes the article you just copied and rewrites it using different words. This results in a completely new article with the same topic as the original one from Google News. You might be wondering why we need to do this. The reason is that copying and pasting the original article could lead to legal issues due to copyright problems. By using Spinbot, we can avoid all that and have a unique piece of content. After pasting the article into Spinbot, click on the Basic Spin option and wait a few seconds. Voila! You now have a unique blog post, article, or whatever you want to call it. It's important to note that if you want to keep specific words, such as names, numbers, quotes, or other elements, you can indicate that within the tool. Before using the rewritten article, it's a good practice to review it for accuracy. I recommend selecting an article that genuinely interests you for this process. Here's the deal. You can actually make money with this article, and I'll show you how. First, make sure to save this article in a safe place, because we're going to sell it to websites that pay handsomely for our words. These websites will pay you $1 for every word you write, and some articles can have thousands of words, which means you can earn a significant amount of money. The first website I want to talk about is eatwell.com, which pays $1 per word. The best part is, you won't have to handle the selling or marketing aspects yourself. Now let's address how you get paid for your articles. It's a straightforward process. When you visit the website, you'll notice they pay $1 for each word you submit. Then, you'll need to locate their provided email address and send them an email with the subject line, Content Submission. In your email, express your interest in submitting an article and await their response. Make it more professional. Then copy and paste your article into the email and hit send. If they accept your article, they'll request your payment details. You can choose how you want to get paid, whether through PayPal, bank transfer, or another suitable method. This method is easy to start, and you can begin right away as you follow along with this guide. With Google News continually updating with news every few hours, your earning potential is unlimited. Additionally, exploring various subcategories in the health section opens up numerous opportunities to make money. The more you engage in this, the more money you can earn. You can start by checking out the first website, Eating Well. Additionally, I'll share 2 more websites where you can submit your articles. The second website is Popular Science, which is similar to Eating Well, but offers a faster submission process. You just need to send queries, and once they reply, you can submit the entire article. You can find their email address on the website to send your query and contact details. To create original content, Search for a topic on Google News, like a technology article. Use a tool like Spinbot to rewrite it in your own words and style. This will help you create engaging articles for submission. The last website is adarp.org, which pays up to $2 per word. They accept a wide range of topics. Submit articles to all 3 websites, but ensure they are different. You can earn money directly to your PayPal or bank account. No need for sales or affiliate marketing experience. It's as simple as copying, pasting, and sending emails. As a bonus, you can use a tool like WriteSonic, found in the link down below, to write articles from scratch in under 3 minutes. This tool can be incredibly helpful. To access it, you can sign up for free with your name and email address, and they will send you an activation link. To get started with this tool, simply head to your inbox and click on the provided link. After that, you can log in and I'll guide you through the process. First, click on the AI Article Writer option. Then, enter the topic for your article. Let's say health. To gather keywords related to your topic, go to Google News and select an article. Copy the article's title and paste it back into the tool. Click Search Keywords, and it will generate relevant keywords for you. Choose a few that closely relate to your article's topic. Now, highlight and copy these keywords, separating them with commas. Click Next. For the sake of brevity, we won't delve into the details here, so click Generate Ideas. You'll receive 3 title suggestions. Pick the one you like. To create outlines, click Generate Outlines, and again, you'll get 3 options. Choose the one that suits you best. Now you're ready to click Generate Article and watch the magic unfold. The tool even provides an image from Pixabay, free from copyright issues. In less than a minute, you'll have a high-quality 1,184-word article worth $2,000. This tool is like having a team of writers and designers at your disposal, all for free. It will totally put you at the head of the pack. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be on your way to making money online. It's that simple. So head over to Google News, find an article, copy it, and paste it into the tool. You can either pitch it to specific websites or use the writer tool for a quicker and easier approach. Start your journey to making money online today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for additional thrilling opportunities to generate income online. Your support means the world to me and keeps this channel going. See you in the next video.